Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I'll show you how to change your songs in a CapCut template. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your CapCut app on your phone. This works for both iOS and Android device users. And then you want to click on Discover, which is templates. So find that template you want to use and change a song. So I'm just going to use this one here, No One Cares meme. So I'm going to use this. And now once you're here, click on Use Template. And then you want to export this template to your phone. So click on Export. And then click on Export again. So give this a few moments to load. I'll pause the video. Alright, now go ahead and click on Done. Alright, now you want to head back to the main page of CapCut, and then you want to tap on New Project, and then add in that video that you just downloaded earlier. Just click in Add, like so. Now what you want to do is tap on the video, and then tap on the mute option, and then tap on Add Audio. And from here, you want to click onto Sounds. You can add music too. So if you click on Brand Music, you can add brand music here too. But for this demonstration, I'm going to be using sounds. You can use TikTok sounds. You can upload your audio from your device, extract audio from video. Add in recommended songs here, and if you got any bookmark saved songs or favorited, they'll be there. So for this example, I'm just going to use beats here, so I'm going to click on that to use, click on the plus icon to add it, and now play on the video. There you go, it's changed. Yeah, that's it for this video guys, how to change sounds or songs inside CapCut using their templates. So thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to this channel if you found it helpful.